Hey everybody, welcome back to Stock Voyager. Why is UCloudLink dropping so much? It could be because of what we discussed yesterday, if I had to guess. Yesterday we discussed in a video talking about a potential $150 million offering. Also, we discussed how the company is a shell company, and whenever you're buying stocks in it, you're not buying securities in the actual company. So you're not investing in the company itself. You're investing in kind of like a, I don't know, like a something that looks like the company but isn't the company. I mean, the company name, I guess, but you're not really investing in the company. We're going to take a look at that again. So, because I know that a lot of people are wondering why this stock is dropping so hard to more than 40%. It may come back up a little bit. It may try to do a gap fill up, but I don't know. I don't see that happening. So we're going to take a look real quick here. Let's go to the filings. Okay, so these have not been, it's a registration statement that hasn't been made official yet. And they say that over and over again in this document. But it kind of gives you an idea that they could do it and that it's likely they could do it. Okay. So it's 150 million. You can see that right there is the offering. Proposed offering, not official yet. The information prospectus is not complete and may be changed. We may not sell these securities until the registration statement filed with the Securities Exchange Commission is effective. The preliminary prospectus is not an offer to sell these securities, and we are not soliciting an offer to buy these securities in any state or jurisdiction where the offer or sell is not permitted. Okay, so that is basically them saying this. This was done on November 16th. They have not done another amendment yet. It's not guaranteed they're going to do it. It's just out there, so you got to know that it could be happening. So that is some of why I think the stock is dropping now. If you go here and you look up Cayman, okay, so it's this line here. UCloudLink is a Cayman Islands holding company with no equity ownership in our VIEs, and we conduct our operations in China through our PRC subsidiaries and our VIEs, with which we have maintained contractual agreements. Investors in our Class A ordinary shares or the ADSs thus are not purchasing equity interest in our consolidated affiliation entities in China, but instead are purchasing equity interest in a Cayman Island holding company. So basically a shell company. So what you need to understand about this is that regulations have been really getting tighter and tighter on these companies that are just shell companies in the Cayman Islands, that are kind of like posing as companies that are actually not the companies that are in China. I mean, they're posing as the companies in China, but they aren't the actual company. Like, you're not buying securities in those companies. You don't have any kind of controlling interest. You have basically nothing. It's really hard and complicated. You should Google it and look it up. What I'm here to tell you is to just be very cautious. Know that this is part of this. Know that this has been put out there for $150 million in an offering, which is more than what the company's current market cap is currently at. If we looked at their market cap, I'm not going to be able to pull it up on here. I could pull it up on here. Let's pull it up on here. Okay, Google Finance, UCloudLink. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, so market cap right now, where it stands with the price of 390 being down 40% plus, puts it at 110 market cap. If they were to go ahead and implement this thing, which it looks like this offering, which it looks like they are at least considering, they wouldn't be filing the paperwork if they weren't at least considering, then they are basically putting it like at more than what the market cap is. So you would see dilution of probably close to, drop down to like 150, maybe more if this were to happen, if this were to take effect. There's no guarantee it's going to take effect. If it does take effect, it will probably take effect at after 4 p.m. in the evening, Eastern Standard Time, once the market closes, or pre-market before 7 a.m. On a market day. And then it's less likely to happen in between 7 a.m. and 9:30 a.m. Pre-market Eastern Standard Time, but it could still happen. And it's even less likely to happen during a trading day. It almost won't. It's almost guaranteed not to happen during trading day. I've been looking for rules on this. I'm not really sure 100% on rules on this, but I believe they can't do an offering during the trading day. But don't quote me on that, and don't take that for the final. I just know that usually whenever stock offerings happen, they happen after hours, after 4 p.m. or pre-market, usually before 7 a.m., but sometimes anytime before 9:30 a.m. Okay, so I just wanted to share that is why the stock is dropping. I can't push buy for you, and I can't push sell for you. I can say that this might gap up some, so you could make some money off of it, but I wouldn't bank on it. I wouldn't. That's not a guarantee. So be careful. Again, I'm not your financial advisor. Can't push buy for you. Can't push sell for you. Can't tell you to hold. Can't tell you to get out. I can just tell you that I would be cautious. I can tell you what I would do personally, and that is what I would do. Okay, and I hope this helps somebody. This information can be found on the SEC website, on the Edgar. If you Google SEC Edgar, you can pull up this and just do a search for UCloudLink, and it will lead you right to this to show you this, consideration of an offering for UCloudLink. Okay, that is all I have for today. I hope you have a profitable green day, and I will see you all very soon. Love ya. Bye.